So this is the review for Archeologist Warlord Book 2, the kind of quasi-dungeon core thing. So Martin's efforts to unite the people of Copsis against the imminent incoming of the invaders continue, with more pyramids, generators, obelisks, and specialized units under his control, as well as the ability to absorb the souls of the fallen and drain the chi from his surroundings. Martin is getting more powerful than ever. However, he's still a long ways from achieving the mission for which he was transformed into a core. If he thought that the hardest part was done when he managed to protect the Emirate of Ma'an from the cartels and keep the Ren Empire from destroying him, he's sorely mistaken. No sooner has he made peace with the League of Merchants than two even bigger threats emerge. Martin now has to deal with a bloodthirsty shogun who possesses an army of powerful samurai, as well as a Maharaja with an equally impressive force made of prana-enhanced warriors. The new techniques Martin will discover as he engages these new foes, suffers heavy losses, and ultimately learns from them could make all the difference in the end, but he has to remain careful. As he keeps absorbing more souls to fuel his power, his own soul is getting increasingly more tainted. Martin starts to behave differently and to lose touch with his humanity. To become powerful enough to defeat the invaders, will Martin have to become the very monster he intended to repel? So, yeah, this is book 2 in the series. I didn't like it as much as book 1. Mainly because it's so bogged down in the politics basically of it, where this faction is fighting against that faction, and he's trying to support one over the other, and it's just it was all right. But the broader story of the larger arc of the story is barely touched at all. So yeah, I mean, kind of a placeholder as far as I can tell in the series. We'll see what book 3 brings as to whether it's worth the trouble or not.